Welcome to one of the most amazing YouTube channels. We strongly believe in the natural right of the human being to success, fortune, love, wealth and good health. But perhaps some of these have not yet manifested in your life. That is why we are here, to bring you not only the motivation and information, but also the resources and exercises through all our videos so that once you access them and put them into practice, you can improve many aspects of your life. In this amazing channel called Passive Incomes, we will update you with numerous real business opportunities that provide recurring income. But we have to be absolutely transparent with you, and you must know that the best business you can do, the best investment is none other than investing in you. In order for you to obtain great material rewards, you must start with reaching a state of being superior. If you are wasting your time pursuing ephemeral goals, such as money, fame or other things, that even if you can achieve them, it won't fill your life. We know the importance of understanding how the human mind works and reprogramming it. To listen to our soul or our inner being and follow what it dictates. So stay with us for a few minutes and you will see everything we will place at your fingertips. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell, so that you do not miss this valuable information that we have to give you, which will change your life. Stay till the end of the video where we will reveal a secret. You can put this information into practice today and begin to change an important aspect, which is surely limiting you. So, watch the video until the end to receive this secret to become successful in life. This is just one, but maybe one of the most important one to make significant changes in your life. We start now.
Welcome to Passive Incomes. Our mission is to plant seeds of abundance, fortune and happiness. Sharing with you our passion to improve your life, your finances, love and health from a high state of consciousness.
This is a life transformation channel for those who would like to subscribe. We will cover very important topics in our videos and we have listed them. Please help us to be the world's best YouTube channel. We suggest you choose the number of the category you want us to cover, what interests you most. Just put the number or comment on the topic you would like to see on our channel. We begin with the numbering, and remember that towards the end, you will have the amazing secret of success that we promised you. We start with the list. 1. Increase your state of consciousness, find your purpose and as a result, improve your performance, attracting abundance, wealth and fortune and live fully in happiness. 2. Incorporating better lifestyle habits and how to improve on habits that we already have. 3. Personal development plan for work. 4. Motivational factors of entrepreneurship. 5. Journaling for self-growth. 6. Lifestyle changes for healthy living. 7. How to generate income sources such as affiliate income and other online sources. 8. At this point we group many business lessons so as not to extend the video too much: affiliate marketing, self-employment, entrepreneurship mentality, finding business partners. 9. Have financial freedom, smart passive income, residual income, millennium money and app that pay you real money. 10. How to create new habits to achieve your goals. It is these issues and many more in which we will delve into, so that any goal, business, dream or venture that you have you carry out, you can do it, overcoming any difficulties along the road. Because the warrior's path begins by knowing each other inwardly. Have you chosen the topic you want us to discuss? Put the number or comment on what interests you most. If it is not in the list, also leave it in a comment. Now, let's move on to the promised secret. We call it self-discipline improvement pill, and it has to do with creating new habits, so we will reveal the secret we mentioned in point number 10. There is a common denominator in all successful people. At the heart of any successful person is self-discipline. So if you manage to create new habits, you are creating something super powerful for your life. You will be exercising self-discipline, which is something essential to be successful. You must understand that, in what you have become, who you are right now, is the exact reflection of your habits. Habits are nothing more than rituals, generated by what you think, feel and do. So as long as you are not aware of the things you are doing, that is, most of the time, you will do your daily rituals because they are pre-programmed in your subconscious and you will do it mechanically. Your way of acting has been shaped by your beliefs, which are the results of your thoughts and feelings. Our mind has a very simple purpose, and it is to keep us safe. For that reason any change, however small, it will cost you a lot. This is because the mind itself will try to protect you. It will keep you within familiar territory. It will speak to your ear, it will remind you of the last time you tried and failed, or it will distract you with the familiar and will take you back to your rituals and you'll end up forgetting it or throwing it away. Since my mind is the enemy of the unknown, how do we create a new habit if my own mind sabotages me? So, now we have a positive point that science has discovered, a really good news for us: new neural connections are created with a minimum of 21 uninterrupted days of practicing that new habit. So the key is to practice that new habit that you want to achieve for 21 consecutive days. So, you can take advantage of the mechanism that the mind will generate during this time. It will already have it integrated and will ask you to repeat it without sabotaging yourself. Even knowing this may still be hard. We are going with 6 step-by-step secret points that you must do to get there. Whatever you want to achieve and instill as a new habit, this is what you should do. We will give you as an example someone who wants to generate the habit of exercising to get fit but never exercises. In your case, think about what habit you want to generate and how you could do it by knowing your skills, qualities and limits. Take this example to your individual situation and adapt it. Let's begin. 1. Ask yourself this idealistic question every night before bedtime: why am I an expert in creating new and better habits? When you want to reprogram your mind, it accepts and assumes a question of this type much more easily than a positive affirmation. It is like playing with your mind. When you affirm something positive, it simply rejects it, and gives you arguments to dismantle such a statement. In fact, many people throughout their life do not stop programming their mind in a negative way and create limitations thanks to these types of questions, saying things such as, "Why am I so dumb?" or "Why nothing suits me?" The good news is that we can use this type of programming in our favor. Starting today, abuse idealistic questions in all areas of your life. They are free and your life will thank you. 2. Following our example, ask yourself this idealistic question every night before bed: why do I have an athlete's physical state? You need to start connecting with the state you want to achieve, forget your current state whatever it is. 3. Use technique 5-5-2-1-2-1. This amazing method will help you easily include new habits in your life. You will have previously defined an exact time to exercise. Imagine that you decide to exercise every morning at 8. To start, choose the type of exercise that costs you the least: push-ups, running, abdominals, whatever. Remember, the goal is to create a habit of exercising. Set an alarm so you know when to stop. You are on day 1, start exercising at the time you decided, in the place you chose and with your alarm ready. Do it for 5 minutes without excuses and not a second more. Even if you feel strong and want to continue, stop when you hear the alarm. The first day will be only 5 minutes. 4. Check your previous day's results. If you notice that you must change the place or time, do it. Was there noise? Did someone interrupt you? Whatever, write it down and change it. You can't let your mind manipulate you, or give yourself the excuses it always gives you. Become fully aware of those thoughts and make the change you consider to complete at least your 21 days. Repeat this routine every day at the same time for another 4 days, just like the first day, for only 5 minutes daily. Now we will hack your mind in another way. At some point you will feel encouraged and want to continue or sweat more, but you will simply stop when the alarm sounds. 5. Now you will be on day 6. From this day you will increase 1 minute each day that passes. Hence the name of the technique, 5-5-2-1-2-1. Remember, you started day 1 doing 5 minutes of exercise, the same until day 5, day 6, 6 minutes. Day 7, 7 minutes. And so on until day 21 you will do 21 minutes. 6. Finally, keep the routine. From now on you can keep 21 minutes a day. It will be much easier because it will be a mechanized process that you will have integrated into your subconscious. We hope you put it into practice and tell us in the comments the results you have achieved with this powerful technique. If you find it interesting, give us a like and share the video with the people you love. They will thank you. There are many amazing channels on YouTube of entrepreneurs, where they simply share business opportunities, sometimes wonderful ventures, but the truth is that we have verified that no matter how good the opportunity is, if you still do not have a clear purpose to share with the heart and help others, it is very likely that you miss the opportunity or do not know how to take advantage of it, because all the change begins within you. Passive incomes, planting seeds of abundance, fortune and happiness. Thank you for being here and for being the wonderful being you are. And thanks for watching. If you want to be notified when we upload a new video, after subscribing, click the bell on the right.